We've had a really extraordinary journey to get to where we are. My parents had restaurants when I was a child, so I very much grew up in the industry. It seemed very natural to me that this is what I would do, and from quite a young age I always knew that I wanted to have my own restaurant. I just want to keep growing the business is something that I'm really set on. You know, we started with just a coffee machine in the window whilst we were finishing painting up here, and now we're 120 seats split over 3 levels. We open breakfast, lunch and dinner. We've got a standalone takeaway espresso bar. So we've really grown hand over fist, and it's happened what feels like really quickly. Family underpins almost everything we do here. You know, even to the way that we style our food, like it's very much sharing, like a sharing table, and the service here is really unpretentious. When you come here, it's like you're coming into a family home. We've got a really open plan kitchen, and we built that so that it felt like when you came in, you're coming into someone's home. Someone's at the counter there, they're cooking dinner. You can turn around and have a chat to the girl who's putting together your food, and I think that's really a beautiful thing. And it's also brilliant to have the kitchen team really interact with our guests as well. We take a lot of care and pride in everything we do here. The way that we prepare our ingredients, the way that we serve our guests, and the way that the venue is turned out. We're really led by the seasons here, and also by what we're really interested in eating and cooking. We're just moving through things really quickly, so we've got some really beautiful fish. We get all our fish from Lee, and actually an old school friend of mine fishes out there, and we get quite a bit of stuff from his boat. We're blessed to get it so incredibly fresh. You know, it comes off the boat in the afternoon and we get it for that evening's dinner. We're lucky that the soil here is really fertile. We're on a peat base, and so that means that it's really easy to grow really nutrient-dense food. And there are lots of growers around us, and historically this has been loads of orchards, and now it's being subdivided and more built up. But when I was a child, this is where all the food was grown. I've got fond memories of riding down the middle of the road in Matakana with an ice cream in my hand on my horse to the only shop, which was the post shop and the dairy. And of course you could never even imagine taking a horse on the road any time, but let alone on a Saturday. It's total bedlam. It's a really positive thing that these people have come to the area, and the area attracts people that are really natural entrepreneurs and that are growing with the area. So it has been really good for everybody that the area is growing. The people that are coming here now are coming for this country lifestyle. You know, they want sustainable, they want organic, they want to feel good about what they're consuming and be really mindful. People are drawn to us that have the same sort of ideas and philosophy as we do. We've always been really blessed in the sense that the people that come on board in the business are also really passionate about eating really good food and having a really fulfilled life. And that is really what the business is about. But it's just an amazing feeling to have people bringing in food and we're cooking it, and it's all just grown locally. It's just this great community ethos, and that feels really good to me. Yeah, I want to keep developing that side of things, keep bringing the community back in. But we're always looking for how we can grow and improve, and where we can take the business next. The idea has evolved along the way. We've innovated at every turn. The business has changed and moved. It is what we want it to be on any given day. We are on a journey, it's still going, and we're still growing, we're still evolving, and it's really exciting.